Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to earn money online without investment. With the rise of technology, it has become easier to earn money from the comfort of your own home. In this video, I will share several methods that you can use to start earning money online without any upfront costs. Method 1. Freelancing. One of the easiest ways to start earning money online is through freelancing. Freelancing involves offering your skills and services to clients in exchange for payment. Some popular freelancing platforms include Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. You can offer services such as writing, graphic design, website development, and more. Simply create an account, create a profile, and start bidding on projects that interest you. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. Another way to earn money online is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products on your blog, website, or through social media. Some popular affiliate marketing platforms include Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, and Share a Sale. Method 3. Online surveys. You can also earn money by participating in online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they are willing to pay for it. There are several websites that offer paid surveys such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research. Simply sign up for an account, start taking surveys, and earn money for your opinions. Method 4. Selling products online. Another way to earn money online is by selling products. You can sell physical or digital products through platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. If you have a talent for creating unique items, then this can be a great opportunity for you to earn money from home. Method 5. Creating online courses. Finally, if you have expertise in a particular area, you can earn money by creating and selling online courses. Platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses on a variety of subjects. Simply create a course, market it to your target audience, and start earning money from your knowledge and experience. There are several ways to earn money online without investment. Whether it's through freelancing, affiliate marketing, online surveys, selling products, or creating online courses, there is something for everyone. Start with one method and gradually expand as you become more comfortable and confident in your abilities. Remember, the key to success is hard work and consistency. Good luck. Thank you for watching. I hope this script has been helpful in showing you how to earn money online without investment. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos.